Let's focus on Voice Memos, which is this icon here. Click on the icon. On the left, you'll see your audio files. If you click on one of the audio files, you'll see an interface where you can listen to your audio file. Here, the audio file is 18 seconds long. You can scrub to any place of the audio that you want, and then you can listen to it. Because we're going to do correlation coefficient. And this timeline over here, that's the complete audio file. But over here, it's a bit expanded. You can move forward 15 seconds or back 15 seconds if you want. And over here, it gives you the normal icons to export it, to put in the trash, to put it in a folder and so forth. And then you can also click on Edit, which allows you to crop the audio. If you click on the crop tool here, and you can move the ends here, what you can do is you can trim the ends, or you can delete the middle. I don't want to do that. I'm going to cancel this. Or one other thing too is sometimes you can set the playhead to a place where you want to replace some video. I want to replace this part of the audio. Did I say video again? Audio. So I can click on done, or I'm going to do undo. And then I'm going to click on done here. All right, so I'm not going to do anything with this file, but let's say I have some notes for an audio file that I want to record for my class tonight. So I'm going to lift this up a little bit, and I'm going to click on OneDrive, click and hold. I'm going to move it over and put it next to it. And I'm going to go to my Math 131 course. And it's somewhere in here. Regression talking points. It's opening. I'm going to expand it here. I'm going to move this over more to the left. This is the voice memos, and this is my Word document. And I can make this bigger if I want. And now I have my points that I want to address. So here we go. Before we start recording, by the way, there's a microphone over here where the lens is located on the iPad Air. The lens is right here, and then there's a pinpoint, like a little pinprick on the bezel, which is the location of your microphone. If you put your hand next to it, or if you have items, it might not operate that well. And if you're not sure, just record some videos, see how you like it. It's always best practice to do that anyway, to do a little piece of audio just to see how it sounds. Another piece of advice is to keep the iPad stable. Don't be touching it while you're speaking. Sometimes even holding it, you might create some sound. That might be distracting for the student. But these are best practices. I mean, sometimes you won't have that opportunity. Also, in different rooms, when you're in a different room, it has a different sound profile. So keep that in mind. Okay, let's start to do the recording. So I'm going to click on record. Hi, everyone. This is Mr. Romero for your Math 131 course. Now, don't forget to download the regression notes in Beachboard. It's going to be very important for you to have those in class tonight. Also, bring your calculator, your TI-83 or 84. Now, we're going to use our calculator for checking for understanding. So, I'll see you tonight. Bye-bye. So that was 28 seconds long. So I'm going to move this over. Okay, it's new recording. Fine. We're going to call this regression, right? Regression. Let's say talking points. Something like this. All right, now let's play it. Hi, everyone. This is Mr. Romero. Oh, before we do that, well, actually, let's edit that. I don't like this. Hi everyone. I don't like that. So let's click on edit. Let's click on crop, what we just learned right now. Move this edge so that I can trim this part off. Move it over. Let's see if that sounds okay. This is Mr. Romero. Yeah, that sounds fine. We're going to click on save, and we are done. Okay, now we're able to listen to it. And we're going to do a little movie magic here. What I'm going to do is, instead of listening through the microphone that I have here in my office, we're going to listen to how it sounds on the iPad. Here we go. This is Mr. Romero for your Math 131 course. Now, don't forget to download the regression notes in Beachboard. It's going to be very important for you to have those in class tonight. Also, bring your calculator, your TI-83 or 84. Now, we're going to use our calculator for checking for understanding. So, I'll see you tonight. Bye-bye. Hey, not bad. Not bad at all. Sounds okay, actually. Now, let's say I want to store this audio into OneDrive so that I can put it into Beachboard. So click on this icon, which will move the file over to where you want it. And I'm going to say I want to go to OneDrive, and I'm going to go to Files, and I'm going to go to Math 131, and I'm going to upload it here. It's uploading. It's done. And if you, so that's regression, talking points. If you go here to OneDrive and go back, because those are my notes. Let's see if it's here. It's right here. Look, regression, talking points, and has an icon, an audio icon. If you click on that and press, this is Mr. Romero. Okay, there you go. So now you have the regression talking points audio in OneDrive, and then you go to Beachboard and then put it into Beach Media. Okay, so that gives you some idea of how to use the voice memos in your iPad Air.